So let's say I want a vertical video that I want to publish. So in that case, I can go around and create a new project right here, just like this. Let me just not save any project right here. And I'm going to go around and choose portrait mode right here and force the selected project preset right here. So I'm just going to go around and press OK and overwrite this because I don't have anything saved right there. So now I'm going to go around and bring in a video right here. So I'm just going to go around, bring in a person walking video and bring it in video layer 1 right here. But you can see that this video is in landscape right here and it is not in portrait. So if you want to, let's say, for example, automatically crop the video and then let Adobe Premiere Elements do its thing, then you can go around and while selecting out this clip, you can go around and utilize Auto Reframe right here, just like this. So once you do that, what happens is that it detects out the subject right here, and you can see that it tracks down the person right here and auto reframes everything out right here, just like this, as you can see. So you can do that with multiple clips as well. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and bring in this video clip right here. I'm just going to go around and bring this in, and if you were to click on auto reframe, then it analyzes out the video, as you can see right here, into portrait mode, just like this, and it even tracks it down for you. So that is how you can work around with auto reframe option inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.